I just wanted to show everyone what you get when you purchase your MiniMax kit from Castle Rock Yachts. It comes in this little box. Little handwritten note inside. Thank you very much. The hull and all the parts wrapped up in this bag. The sail parts, sail and sail parts, and templates for the rigs. And taped to the bottom of the box we have carbon spars and bamboo for the stand. Open up the little bag. Put that aside. You have the sticky back hatch material taped on top here. So waterproof sticky back material. Goes on like so when you're finished to sail the boat. Inside the hull, carefully remove this little baggie of parts. Keel, and hiding up in here, I can get it out. Is your stand parts. So the hull, printed in PLA Plus. I check all the holes, make sure we've got a good print, run drill through them, etc. Have the string through here, so I know that the hole works. I've cleaned it all out. So hull, just a nice good print in PLA Plus. Inside the bag here we have all the small parts that you'll need. So carefully. So 4 feet for the bottom of the stand. The 3D printed battery box. The 3D printed rig parts to assemble the rig. Little spool of line that you need to do all your rigging. The tiller arm. The sail arm. And here we have the little clips from MiniMax for the push rod. And all the little rig parts and the reinforcement patches for the sail. Castle Rock sticker if you wish to put that somewhere. Keel and bulb printed from PLA CF carbon fibre. Prints really nice finish. A little bit stiffer than PLA. And the rudder blade, again, nice print. And like I said, the stand parts, I'll do a separate video showing you how to assemble the stand. So that's all the parts. And the hull. And just show you, open up the sail here, if I can carefully. So we have the B-rig template, the A-rig template, and your A-rig sail. You'll need to add on the 3D printed sticky reinforcements. All very easy, make the sail quite easily. And once the sail's finished, you can refer to this number template to put the number on your sail. And yeah, that's it guys. That's everything you'll need to get your MiniMax going. So add your electronic parts, get yourself a stainless steel bolt or rod from the hardware shop, cut it to length, goes in the keel, cut your carbon fibre rods to length, assemble everything. The full build instructions are on the Facebook page, this Facebook page, so you can download them and refer to them from there. I don't have enough room in the box to include everything. And yeah, these kits are on the way to the first wave of owners now, and the second lot coming soon. Cheers.